Hello and welcome to ClaimRemedy.com. My name is Rick Alina and I am the Chief Empowerment Officer at Claim Remedy. The purpose of this screencast is to give you an overview into the benefits and uses of our powerful Attorney Impact Letter in the recovery of your insurance company claims, those that have been delayed and denied without any valid reasons whatsoever. In our previous screencast, the informed phone call, we used assignment of benefits as our example. We'll stick with that example for the purposes of this screencast as well. Oftentimes, providers feel they lack leverage when dealing with an insurance company. Well, if that's the case, then our Attorney Impact Letter is for you. This is the letter that involves our network attorney and the recovery of your insurance company claim, and it's done inexpensively and as easily as filling in a few blanks. Each letter is specific to the stall tactic that it represents. For example, this letter will be specific to the assignment of benefits stall. And I've gone ahead for sake of brevity and filled in the blanks already, but we can run through them real quickly. This provider happens to be Dr. Jones, fictitious of course. The date of the letter is January 20th, 14. The insurance company is Mega Giant. If I need to add an additional address line, that is if I need to put this to the attention of the claims department, I have the option to do so, but it is optional. I can use it or not use it. It's totally up to the provider. The insurer's street address, city, state, zip, then the patient information, first name, last name, patient ID, date or dates of services. If the date of service is a span of dates, then I can include the end date in this field. If it's a single date, then I use the date of service rendered in this required field. It's the only field that's required in the date fields. Also, if I choose to include a statement of facts, a narrative that I want included in the letter, I can choose the option there and include my statement of facts in the space provided here. Once all the fields are completed to my satisfaction, and I'm ready to agree to the terms of service, namely to be billed the nominal fee for the Attorney Impact Letter, then I click Agree. And once I click Agree, I see that my screen, there appears a confirmation that the Attorney Impact Letter has been delivered to the email address that I have used when registering for the service, and that the attorney, the network attorney for the Texas providers, Mr. Egan, has also been notified automatically of this letter. This keeps everyone in compliance with the ethical and legal obligations of notifying the attorney. So let's go ahead and take a look at the letter that's been sent to the email address. I'll go ahead and refresh. And there it is, Texas Assignment of Benefits, the Attorney Impact Letter for John Doe. I'll click on it. And there's the body of the letter. Actually, the body of the letter starts below the instructions to copy, below the line there, and I can copy all the way down to where it says Stop Copy, and then paste into whatever word processing program I happen to use. Let me point out a couple of features of the letter. It is specific to the assignment of benefits law in Texas, and the letter in the last paragraph also references that a copy of it is being forwarded to our attorney, Michael L. Egan. That's the network attorney for Texas, and the system automatically does that for you unless you make changes, whereupon it's incumbent upon you, the provider, to notify the attorney of those changes, and it reminds you of that in the instructions up here. But if there are no changes, then the system automatically notifies the network attorney that the letter has been sent to the insurance company, and it gives the attorney all the data inputted fields, strictly HIPAA compliant. And also, the other thing I'd like to point out is that the additional motivation for the insurance company to take notice is the reference to statutory penalties and damages and additional attorney fees. Down below is Mr. Egan's contact information, and our network attorneys will field phone calls from the insurance company regarding your claims, and they are instructed to tell the insurance companies that the claim has been forwarded to them and that the claim status in their office is pending. This is a value-added service for our members. Once again, thank you for visiting ClaimRemedy.com, where we empower healthcare providers.